Hi, I'm Kelly from freebiefindingmom.com and I'm here with my son, Ian. And today we're going to show you how to make a homemade, all-natural perfume and using various essential oils. So the first ingredients that you will make sure that you have to have for this is you're going to need some roller bottles. So you're going to need to pick some up from at a local store, or Amazon has a slew of different types of roller bottles. So something like this where it has just a glass bottle and then on top of it is the roller, which something like this is what you're going to go on top, and then also then just the cap. So this just makes for easy application onto your homemade perfume that you're going to make. So you're going to need roller bottles. You may want to pick up an eyedropper too to add your carrier oil, but I actually don't use an eyedropper. I have these, this is my carrier oil here, and I use these little squeeze bottles that have just a nice hole at the top, so it makes it really easy to put your carrier oil directly into your little roller bottle. You're also going to need, in addition to carrier oil, I'm using today a grapeseed oil, which I got just from Walmart, but you can pick up a variety of different carrier oils. You can have like fractionated coconut oil you could use. You can get them, like I say, at local stores, or Amazon as well has a variety of different oils that you could use for a carrier oil. So you're going to need a carrier oil, your various essential oils, a roller bottle, and then you'll also need potentially an eyedropper if you don't have one of these little squeeze bottles that make it really easy to put your carrier oil directly into your bottle. So we're going to make, the combination we're going to make today is actually a really relaxing combination. It uses Stress Away, Copaiba, and Frankincense essential oil. All three oils you get in your premium starter kit. So if you have your kit already, you can make this exact perfume. I'm going to tell you about a couple of other different perfume recipes, combinations that you might want to try too. One of them you can add is more of a fruity combo, and that is when you can add like lemon and orange and even grapefruit to it. Another combination that you can try, which we're not going to make today, but if you want more of a, I would say kind of a romantic scent, you can use cinnamon and also orange and frankincense essential oil. So, but today, like I said, we're going to make more of a relaxing combination, which is going to use Copaiba and Stress Away and frankincense. So first thing you're going to need is you're going to grab one of your roller bottles, and here is our roller bottle, right, Ian? I went ahead and already filled up about 3/4 of the way full with our carrier oil. And like I said, I'm using a grapeseed oil today. And okay, just wait, you can in a second. I'm using a grapeseed oil. And the reason we add carrier oil is just to basically help dilute the essential oil so you don't have any sort of skin sensitivity if that's a concern. Okay, so first thing Ian is going to do is, for our kind of a relaxing scent, is we're going to add total to our perfume, I would say 25 to 30 drops of essential oils. You decide based on, how you want your scent to be, which oils you're going to use and how many drops of each oil. So today Ian's going to take his frankincense oil.
Right here.
That's Stress Away. So you're going to take your frankincense right here, and you're going to add maybe, I would say 5 drops of frankincense to our bottle that already has our carrier oil in it. If you need help, you got it. Okay, you got it?
I couldn't do it yesterday because it was my effort.
That's okay, no problem. All right, so he said he couldn't do it yesterday because his hands were dirty or something.
Slippery.
Slippery. Okay, so down here, Ian, hopefully I don't lose the phone.
And do this.
It's all right, it's okay, Ian. So go ahead. So he's going to put about 5 drops of a frankincense oil into our roller bottle for our, like I say, kind of a relaxing scent combination.
6.
That's okay, 6 is fine. Okay, so next we're gonna add, I love the smell of Stress Away actually. So I would say, Ian, be generous with this. Add like 10 drops of Stress Away to our roller bottle, okay? You wanna add 10 drops?
Yes.
Okay, your foot okay? All right.
Yeah,
Your slipper came off, okay. Okay, so he's gonna add 10 drops of our Stress Away to our roller bottle. And the reason I love making these all-natural perfumes is because, for a number of reasons. One is you don't have all the chemicals that traditional perfumes that you buy in stores have. So if you have any sort of sensitivities, or if you just don't like the smell, it's okay. If you don't like the smell of a lot of perfumes, it does smell good. I love that one, Stress Away. So you're able to kind of control the ingredients, based on your skin sensitivity and kind of what aroma you love. And now, Ian, you're going to add 10 drops of Copaiba. So Copaiba starts with a C. Copaiba is really, as we've talked before, is really good for overall wellness. And that's another reason I love using these homemade perfumes, is because not only are you creating a scent that is, very pretty, but also you're getting health benefits when you use essential oils in these these perfumes. So like I said, Ian's adding about 10 drops of his Copaiba right now, and that's good for overall wellness. And Stress Away, as we know, helps with kind of restoring equilibrium, helps, that's okay, that's okay. That's filled, that's fine. That's okay. All right, so now we put our little roller bottle on, and I'll push it on. There we go, I heard a little snap. Got it, that's okay, thank you, Ian. All right, now I'll try to point this back up here with my hands a little bit slippery. Hope I don't lose the camera. There we go. All right, so Ian added about 5 drops of, here's our
finished copy.
Okay, so here's our roller bottle full with our carrier oil, which like I said, I use grapeseed oil. In here, we also have about 10 drops of Stress Away, 5 drops of frankincense, and you add about 10 drops of Copaiba, right? So like I said, not only are we able to create these custom scents that we like, but you also get the health benefits of using these oils as well on your skin. So what you're gonna do is after you put your little roller ball right on top, and like I said, you kind of have to snap it on. Once you get it snapped on, you might just kind of squish it around a little bit, kind of just shake it, just to make sure that everything is incorporated with the essential oils and the carrier oil. And then you're going to apply it like you would a traditional perfume. Yep, and so I would put it, like I said, for instance, on my wrist, for instance, because that's a great place to put it because it's a pulse point, and therefore you're able to get your essential oils into your bloodstream even faster when you apply it to a pulse point. Now, Ian, what I'll let you do, now do you want to have your own fun with making your own perfume?
Yep.
I figured, because this may not be his favorite scent, but what he loves are more like grapefruit and lemon and that sort of thing, right?
Like this
That's
is
grapefruit.
a big bottle.
It's a big bottle of grapefruit because we love grapefruit. So I have another perfume that Ian's going to get to play with here. So in here is another roller bottle. I put my carrier oil down. I don't want you to fall. Carrier oil in here already. So go ahead and add, I would say a good generous 10 drops or so of your grapefruit. And if you want to add about the same amount of lemon, that'd be good. You can add a little bit extra grapefruit if you want. So like I said, in here you can make your own custom scents. Another reason I love these is because you can change then your favorite perfume based on your mood, the day. Like for instance, this kind of, relaxing scent that we just made, I love it for like a Sunday, kind of just a lazy day. It's just a very, like I say, a relaxing scent and helps, instill calmness. Now, whereas the one Ian is creating right now, you put a lot of grapefruit in there.
I like grapefruit.
Okay, we have a lot of grapefruit in this one here. But grapefruit has, it's kind of an invigorating scent. So maybe you want to use that on, say, like a Monday if you're kind of feeling sluggish and you need sort of a pick-me-up.
Like this.
I love grapefruit too. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the best essential oil.
It's probably his favorite is grapefruit. So you like lemon too. So anyway,
Lemon is my second.
Lemon is your second, and so grapefruit's his favorite. So anyway, so you can control the ingredients, you can customize different perfumes, so you can make, a variety of different homemade perfumes that are really, your favorites and that you can use on various different days depending on your mood and that sort of thing. So that's another great thing I love about making your own homemade perfumes. Now, like I said, I will drop the link. It's okay, bud. It's okay. It smells so good. Smell that. It's perfume. It smells like grapefruit. So I will drop the link as we hop off this video to where you can go to find this homemade perfume recipe. And on there in the post, you will see several different scent combinations that I listed. And like I say, those are just suggestions. You can
Hi, Nana.
You see Nana popped up, didn't you? Yeah. So those are just a few different scent combinations. You have fun. If you have the premium starter kit, you can have fun using all the different 11 oils that you have and making your own favorite, kind of customized. Be careful.
I'm gonna put some on this one.
Okay, be very careful. Your own favorite scent combinations. Okay, you ready? So Ian wants to apply his grapefruit perfume. Okay. Onto, there you go. Rub your wrists together. It smells good, right? Yeah. So, and so you have your premium starter kit. You can go ahead and have fun, like I say, creating your own kind of personal scent. I know, I love it. Your own personal scents, and then wearing them, based on however your mood is. So if you don't have your premium starter kit yet, I will drop the link also. Be careful. Be careful. Okay, can you reach it? Also, as we hop off this video, But like I say, check out, down there you will find also another link where if you want to learn more about the premium starter kit, I will share that link as well, and you can read all about what you get in your kit and everything. But we just want to show you this tutorial because it's really fun to kind of make your own homemade scent combinations, especially if you're someone who has any sort of sensitivities to perfume. Yes. Okay, you can say that. Okay, go ahead.
Find more videos of Mommy and Ian, centraloil.com, but the real name is Oily Friends. Go to oilyfriends.com.
That's right.
And we will pop up some videos.
So basically, Ian was telling you, if you aren't already following our Oily Friends Facebook group,
follow up now.
You can follow our Oily Friends Facebook group, and I will drop the link. That's a good reminder. I will drop a link for our Oily Friends Facebook group down in the comments as well. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video, and hope you have a great day.
Bye. Bye-bye.